National Capital Region, Manila, Quezon City, Caloocan City, Pasay City, Pasig City, Makati City, Mandaluyong City, Marikina City, Valenzuela City, Muntinlupa City, Parañaque City, Las Piñas City, Malabon City, Navota City, Taguig City, Patero, San Juan City, Cordillera, Abra, Benguet, Kalinga, Mountain Province, Ifugao, Baguio City, Region 1, Ilocos Norte, Ilocos Sur, La Union, Pangasinan, Region 2, Cagayan, Isabela, Nueva Vizcaya, Quirino, Batanes, Region 3, Aurora, Bataan, Bulacan, Nueva Ecija, Pampanga, Tarlac, Zambales, Region 4A, Batangas, Cavite, Laguna, Quezon, Rizal, Region 4B, Marinduque, Occidental Mindoro, Oriental Mindoro, Palawan, Romblon, Region 5, Camarines Norte, Camarines Sur, Catanduanes, Masbate, Sorsogon, Albay, Region 6, Capiz, Iloilo, Guimaras, Aklan, Antique, Boracay, Negros Island Region, Negros Occidental, Negros Oriental, Region 7, Bohol, Cebu, Siquijor, Region 8, Eastern Samar, Leyte, Northern Samar, Western Samar, Southern Leyte, Biliran, Region 9, Zamboanga del Norte, Zamboanga del Sur, Zamboanga, Sibugay, Zamboanga City, Region 10, Bukidnon, Camiguin, Misamis Occidental, Lanao del Norte, Iligan City, Misamis Oriental, Region 11, Davao del Norte, Davao del Sur, Davao Oriental, Compostela Valley, Davao Occidental, Region 12, North Cotabato, Sarangani, Sultan Kudarat, South Cotabato, Kidapawan City, Region 13, Agusan del Norte, Agusan del Sur, Surigao del Norte, Surigao del Sur, Butuan City, ARMM, Magbasilan, Maguindanao del Sur, Maguindanao, Tawi-Tawi, Sulu,